When the United States, as a corner colony of Britain, decides it wants to do things its own way, okay? The British come down and say, you can't. And the Americans, half of them take it, the other half are pissed off. So we have the Tea Party in Boston. I mean, I'm, exaggerating, simplifying. So then we have a war. But it's very important. The British go to war against the United States, their own colony, to say to the colony, you are not going to go your own way. You're going to do what we tell you. George III, king, sits in England, and George Washington sits here. And the British, to everybody's amazement, including George Washington's, lose the war. 1812, they try again. They fail again. And they reach a conclusion. We can't prevent it. And so they work out a live and let live deal with their colony. Even though they're competitors in many ways, we can work something out, and they do. That will become the American strategy toward China. But it's not speakable yet. And the first politician who says it, and says it clearly, will be the next president, because it'll be understood, however bitterly, as the best way to go, as it was in England. They didn't like it, they hated it, they bemoaned it, then they did it. And this country will too, because what the fuck is the alternative? Nuclear war? Really? You want to do that? Endless of these proxy wars? And by that I include the one in the Middle East, about to explode. Absurd games in the South China Sea around Taiwan.